Welcome Cilla Black. He's making bales. Or he's gonna make bales, some reason he's stopped. I'm just down at the bees. I've just been and got some boxes out of the unit for the other bees at the new site. I'm just having a little check on the hives I brought down to get queen bred. Hope they ain't feeling stingy because I'm feeling naked. What bees? Don't sting me. They're all making honey though. Well, probably. No new swarms in there. Right, swarm in a box. In the wrong box. Let's let them out. These will be putting new honey in there. Oh yes, it's so hot. We're having a heat wave here in the UK. They're a bit quiet because they swarmed and I missed them. We split them. One was queen rearing. Anyway, they should be making honey. What about these ones? They were a bit quiet. Fucking hell, the roofs are hot. And these girls are in full sun all day. Not good. That one's up there, get a good bit of shade. Probably should have stuck to the tree line, I suppose. But it is a nice little spot, isn't it? Cardboard with burning smoker. Look at that. Point the camera at them too much. Might attack me. These need another super. Oh yeah, they've already spotted me. Go, Matt. Anyway, off up to the other side. I'll put a bee suit on then. Bye little ferals. So soon we're going to be moving the bees on the trailer. Oh, got down hole. We're going to be moving these, so I need to come back up with my straps and strap them up because I'm going to be moving them Friday up to the deer farm apiary. Ah, something's stinging me. Ah, stung my bum. I'm going to be moving them up to the deer farm apiary. So yeah, but we need to sort the new apiary out. They need supers, and I just went and got some wood off marketplace to build some more roofs for the hives I've built. So I've run out of wood. Marketplace is a good source for wood, cheap wood. Cheap but decent. Yeah, up to deer farm. No, not deer farm. Somewhere. Oh no, it's a goat. Oh Derek, what are you all out of the field for? Them were grinning at you. It's the herd of goats. They need to go back in the field. Do they know where they come from? Yeah, look, we'll shut that gate and then they're stuck in there. Go on Derek. Bye Derek. Right, so we've got a bit of a situation here. As you'll see, there's a lot of bees on the outside of the box. What's actually happened is some of the comb inside has collapsed. There's honey, probably the whole bottom of the box is full of honey, and all the bees have come out, so we're going to have to put them in that and then move them. It's my fault for leaving them in there too long. I'll put it on time lapse when I do it, which is in a minute. after I've drunken this Strelopamon. Oh, this batch is going to run out. Right, so the plan is I'm going to step on there, I'm going to pick it up off there and I'm going to put it on there. And then I'm going to get the lid off and get the wax framed, any wax I can framed in there, and get it in there, and then get all the bees in there. That's the plan, Stan. So this was a big colony. Needless to say, it was my fault, but it's a total mess. Hopefully the queen went on them bits of wax. Hopefully she's in here somewhere. They're nice and calm for the minute, but yeah, not good, not good. Right, so it's a right mess. I've stood on some bees. I've managed to frame what comb I could find. It was salvageable and I framed it, and it's in the bottom box. So now I've just got to get all these bees out of this box and into the bottom box. It's fucking chaos and it's a mess, I tell you, it's a right mess. Hopefully the queen's alright. They were a good colony. That's all the comb that's come out. It's not salvageable. So I'm going to brush the bees in, as many as I can, and then sit that box in front of that box. I was going to turn it upside down so they'd walk down, but I don't think that'll work. I don't know. So I've put them in the box. It's made a right bloody mess. I've got a few clustering on the shed. But I'll leave the box down there tonight so the ones on the floor can walk in. And ones should, in the morning I'll pick the box up and put it on there. And then one should get a signal. Not good.